Ladies and gentlemen, hello, all of you are welcome. Traditional dough fries. Local name of the thing I'm going to do, Pişi. I prepared a detailed video on how to prepare a total of 32 dough fries. I'm happy to share with you how to knead the dough, how it is done best, and how to cook it. Ingredients for making traditional bagel: 2 kilograms of sifted wheat flour, 60 grams dry yeast, 1,250 grams, 1.5 liters of warm water, 60 grams of sugar and 60 grams of salt. A large pan with a wide base to be used to fry the dough. 3 liters of liquid frying oil. Use a fine skewer of tongs and steel to use in the cooking stage. Thin long rolling pin to open round dough. We need a bowl of flour to prevent sticking of doughs. I use a steel deep bowl to knead the hamut, and I will also add the ingredients with a digital scale. Add 60 grams of dry yeast before. If you want to make 16 pieces, use half of the materials here. Add 60 grams of sugar and 60 grams of salt. Add water to 1,250 grams at room temperature. The same amount as 1.5 liters of water. Mix the ingredients. The sugar and salt in the water need to melt a little. Two kilograms of flour will be added in total. Add half of flour. Mix with your hands to get a smooth paste. Add the other half of flour and knead the dough. When the dough comes to the consistency, you see, scrub the dough sticking on your hands. Knead the dough on a table or marble countertop in a whole way. It was a solid consistently dough, so hard. The amount of water can use more than 100 grams. Sprinkle flour on a wide tray. The dough will be divided into 32 equal parts, and hold a little weight. Divide into 2 equal parts. Then divide into 4 parts. Cut the long doughs into 9 pieces and get a total of 32 pieces of dough. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me in this matter. Shrink the dough piece that you think is big is easy to adjust it. Squeeze the dough in your hand and place it on the tray. Two pieces can be easily rolled on the dough table or marble countertop. After preparation, close the dough and leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Add the frying oil. The oil may slowly warm while opening the doughs round. Yeast doughs will be slightly swollen at room temperature. Now it will be easy to shape dough with rolling pin. Add some flour on the countertop. Prepare the doughs round in the shape of a dessert plate. Make a small hole in the middle of the dough. Place the round dough on the thin long rolling pin and fry in oil. The doughs added into the heated oil will swell and turn the other side when it gets slightly red. Remove the dough from the oil when it has a pink color on both sides. Steel long skewers are used. The hole in the middle of the dough makes this easy. Wait 5 seconds for excess oil to drip. Maybe a little greasy, but one person for one bread. In my opinion, it's not much. This recipe is applied in an open field in Turkey and special occasions are made to distribute to neighbors. Traditional recipes are always more delicious. As you can see, the dough opens very easily. It doesn't take long to cook them. Doughs are cooked and ready for service in 1 minute. If you do, serve hot and do as much as you can consume. You can add breakfast ingredients such as jam, cheese, chocolate. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. Goodbye again for a new recipe video.